The famous dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti in Ajmer is now in the middle of a controversy. The dargah of the Sufi saint who came to India in the early 13th century is also known as Garib Nawaz, or the benefactor of the poor. It is believed that Badshah Akbar came here seeking the blessings of the Sufi saint because he wanted to have a son and an heir. In fact, across the subcontinent, the dargah is revered by both Hindus and Muslims alike, and it is in some senses an epitome of humanity, which is the core ethic and principle of Sufism. But now this dargah is at the center of a controversy. A petition filed by the Hindu Sena in a civil court in Ajmer claims that the dargah is actually a Shiv temple. The petitioner has based his arguments on various facts, among them a book by Harbilas Sharda, a former judge in Ajmer, which says that there are many features in the dargah which are reminiscent of Hindu architecture. There are domes in the dargah which are reminiscent of Hindu temples. There is water and there are waterfalls in the dargah which are usually found near Shiv temples, and certain pillars inside the dargah are absolutely epitome of Hindu architecture. But of course, the Dargah committee, who is in charge of all the management of the Dargah affairs, says this is because Ajmer is in the heart of the Hindu kingdom, and many Hindu kings, including the Raja of Jaipur, actually came and gave a silver umbrella to the Dargah, to Khwaja Sahib, which of course is an example of Hindu architecture. So actually what they say is that the Dargah is a synthesis of Hindu and Muslim architecture, relying heavily on Rajput architecture of that area, since the dargah is situated in Ajmer. But of course, this controversy has now sparked further reactions from people. Owaisi has come forward and said that, across India, these kind of petitions are coming forward and they are designed to create mischief. Sarwar Chashti of the Anjuman committee has also condemned this and said that these are completely baseless, as has the head of the dargah, who has now said that these kind of petitions are not good for communal harmony. But it's clear that the controversy has now been set in motion, and the petitioner is hoping that there will be a survey in this case, which means this controversy is not going to die down very soon. In the next hearing in this case is on the 20th of December.